Please watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, friends and elders, we have started a campaign, a Durood Shareef challenge, to recite Durood Shareef 5 million times. For dua Maghfrith for our parents, and for a Ala Maqam in Jannah for all Muslim Ummah. We require your donations, not in blood nor in money, but a donation of Durood Shareef. Donate by writing in the comment section below, by listening to the recitation of Durood Shareef at the end of this video in full. Is considered a recitation of one. You may recite and donate as many times as you can. Please recite and donate. Please share this video. हो सकता है एक नेक इंसान की वजह से May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our recitations and dua. Jazakallah khair. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you your every virtuous wish and bless and reward you for participating in our campaign.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.